Okay, this is sub day for October 16th, a Thursday, B Day. Students will be live streaming the morning news during advisory. The administrator or librarian can unlock the studio for them. The students are responsible for locking it back up when they're done, and all the equipment in there. Um, all classes, no passes to other classrooms, please. Um, and let me. Okay. Throughout the day, when the bell rings, students' cell phones should be put away. Um, there's a pocket hanging there for them to put their phones in. They're not allowed to have their phones out. They should be zipped up in their backpack, or in one of these cases, they are not allowed to go to the restroom with their phone. If they want to go use the restroom, they put their phone in the pocket here for the rest of the class. Um, and Yeah, it's a state law. Feel free to write up referrals to students who refuse to follow the state law. All right. First block is film production. So they have an ed puzzle and they are working on Horror Fest entries. That looks like on Canvas over here. They are, this is the film production uh, one. I think it's I don't know which one is published first, but they have one of these editing a horror film to sound, or the masterclass one. Um, and Yeah, then uh, they will also be storyboarding. And for those, they could take pictures with their uh, Chromebooks. They can't take their cell phones out to turn that assignment in. Um, and They can use the camera on their Chromebook. I'm sorry. Okay. B3 is planning block. Fourth block is introduction to media arts. Students have assignments in Canvas. They have the ed puzzle. They have the same assignment that the class right before them had. They're working on the same project, just at a different level. They're entering theirs at the novice level, and the students before them are entering it at an advanced level in the contest. So they have to. They will also be finishing up storyboards, and they also have the assignment in Canvas here. That's film production again. Here we go. Um, they will have, I think, this. Um, they will have one of these storyboards. One of these ed puzzles. I believe How to Storyboard is the one they have for Thursday. Okay. Thanks for helping out today.